Hello, welcome to Comenculo Chanel. The new Victorinox Journey 1884 collection captures the adventuring spirit of the brand in a truly refined new silhouette. The 43mm wide brushed recycled 316L stainless steel case of the Victorinox Journey 1884 series combines classic dive watch elements with adventurous touches that could only come from Victorinox. Produced in Victorinox's own factory in Delimont, Switzerland, the broad, sharply faceted lugs, muscular squared-off crown guards, and strong coin-edge unidirectional bezel all work to give the Journey 1884 a bold, athletic look on the wrist. Victorinox truly sets this design apart in the fine details, however. The engraved bezel insert is perhaps the best example of these unique touches. Available in either aluminum for quartz models or glossy polished ceramic for automatic models, this insert blends minimalism with utilitarian detail, offering a full scale up to the 20-minute mark before opting for clear, compact markings at 10-minute intervals. Whether optioned in classic black or midnight blue, however, the bezel's boldest addition lies at 6 o'clock. The Victorinox Journey 1884 offers a dive-ready 200 meters of water resistance, alongside ISO-certified shock resistance. For automatic models, Victorinox completes the case with a striking sapphire display caseback. The Victorinox Journey 1884 line is available with either a Ronda 715 Swiss quartz movement or a Swiss-made Soletta SW200-1 automatic movement. The SW2001 is a staple of the luxury watch industry, and here Victorinox handsomely tops this powerplant with a signed and brushed rotor, along with a stylized rendering of the traditional Swiss Army knife across the display caseback. The SW200-1 offers solid performance, including a reliable 38-hour power reserve at a smooth 28,800 bphb grade. Victorinox offers the Journey 1884 collection with a wide array of strap options. Blue dial models are paired with a unique crosshatch textured strap made from distressed wood, which brings a natural ruggedness to the design while offering surprising comfort and lightweight.